How to transfer data from iPhone 14 Pro Max to Samsung S25 Ultra. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to easily transfer all your important data from an iPhone 14 Pro Max to the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Whether you're switching for performance, features, or just something new, this step-by-step guide will get you fully set up in minutes. What you need: make sure both phones are charged. Have a Lightning to USB-C cable ready. Or you can use Wi-Fi if you prefer wireless transfer. Keep your Apple ID, login info nearby if using iCloud. Method 1. Wired transfer. Turn on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and begin the setup. When you reach Copy Apps and Data, tap Next. Choose using a cable. Connect your iPhone to the Samsung with the Lightning to USB-C cable. On your iPhone, tap Trust and enter your passcode. On your Samsung, wait while Smart Switch scans your iPhone. Select what you want to transfer: photos, messages, contacts, and more. Tap Transfer and let the process finish. Once done, tap Next and complete your Galaxy setup. Method 2. Wireless via iCloud. Optional. On your Samsung, go to Copy Apps and Data, then choose Wireless. Select iPhone and log into your iCloud account. Pick the data types you want to import. Tap Import and wait for the process to finish. Important tip: before switching fully, turn off iMessage and FaceTime on your iPhone. Go to Settings, Messages, and turn off iMessage. Then go to Settings, FaceTime, and turn off it too. And that's it. You've just learned how to transfer all your data from iPhone 14 Pro Max to a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in just a few easy steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you next time.